Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a feature in Microsoft Outlook that will help you manage your time and boost your productivity. If you find yourself sending emails at odd hours, such as weekends, evenings, etc., or that you find you need to send reminders, this feature is for you. This is called delay delivery. Do you ever wish that you could schedule emails to go out at a more convenient time? Maybe you prefer to send emails during business hours instead of evenings or weekends. Well, you can do that with delay delivery. Or you may want to send reminder emails at specific times. With delay delivery, this is possible. I use this feature all the time because sometimes I'm in class and at the same time in class, I need to send a reminder. So I use delay delivery all the time. It has saved me so much time, and it ensures that I send the emails at the most appropriate time during the day. Here's some reasons why you may want to pre-schedule your emails with delay delivery. Number one, you can deliver emails when recipients are most engaged. So by scheduling your emails to arrive during business hours, you increase the chances that your recipients will read and respond promptly. Number two, you can send timely reminders. Whether it's a meeting reminder or an important deadline, scheduling ensures your reminders arrive exactly when needed. Number three, you can take control of your email. You can batch your email tasks, sit down at specific times to write them, and then schedule them to be sent out at the most effective times. Let me demonstrate how you use the delay delivery feature in Microsoft Outlook. Here's a new message. Go to Options, Delay Delivery, and here it says Do not deliver before. You can specify a date when you want it to be delivered, as well as a time. And close. With the delay delivery feature, you can ensure your emails are sent at the perfect time, helping you stay organized and productive. I use this feature all the time. Thank you for watching. Until next time.